we're going to stitch out another of the freebies today. And I thought we'd go right back to the beginning and hoop everything up. So I've got a little piece of silk hoop in there. Turn the hoop round. You'll notice my June Taylor board is getting very grubby. I think it's down to the temporary adhesive. I've got two, and I've taken one apart and I'm trying to repair it, so that'll be for another day. Place that over there. That's hooped. And the next thing I do in this particular way is I spray and I put a second layer, which is from offcuts from previous hoopings. It only needs to be big enough for the area of the design. A bit more spray. I use the lines of my board to help me center it all. And then iron the fabric into place. And that's ready to go over to the machine for the stitch out. Now with this method that I'm showing you, you have to do a box of running stitches to secure everything in position before you stitch it out. Even though it's being held together with temporary adhesive spray, a box is good. And there is a box on the S file. You'll notice that when you download the freebies, there are two of each design, and one has an S on the end, and that's got a box of stitches. And it also has an outline of the whole design, which helps you with placement. We have there a silhouette of the ivy, and this appears often as the first stitch out in many of the designs in this collection. And obviously if you don't want it, then you just don't stitch out the first colour. That's our first green. Now we're going to do the other side of the ivy leaves. Now we're going to do the vein detail inside the leaves, and that is done with a golden green, which is Sulky Rayon 1227. The previous green was khaki, which is Sulky Rayon 1212. I wanted to put something in this collection that had never been done before. And you get ivy and you get the tendrils and the twigs and the stems and the leaves. of various sizes, but you don't often see the ivy seeds. I included them in my Winter Jewels collection, but I've done another take on them in this, and I hope you like it. I'm going to do it in the light putty, which we did the outline in. So that is the ivy seed head, and that will be used along with some of the lace that you've seen already. This is a border design. It's not an endless border. I don't think you could put them one against each other, not without a significant gap, and I have created another design that will fit nicely between them. So that is the design finished. I hope you like that. I wanted to create a border, and it seemed only natural to use the rope. I don't think tassels would work because they wouldn't hang down. There are other designs in this set which have got rope in them, and they are vertical designs. I haven't managed to get them to fit nicely. I suppose you could put them up right close. I think a little gap is really your best choice in doing that, but I could be wrong. Everybody positions and combines designs differently, which is fascinating. If you combine this with something else, one of the other designs, that would be great. I'm just turning it round. It does work vertically, almost, but to my eye, it was created to be a horizontal border. Thank you for watching this video and any of the others that you've watched. I hope that you've managed to join the group forum so that you can download these graceful ivy designs, which are available until the 9th of October. If you've got any questions, please email me. There are links underneath the video here. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the little bell so that you get an email telling you every time I put up a new video for you to watch. I would really appreciate your comments underneath. Tell me what you think of these designs. And until next time, happy embroidering. Bye for now.